the Panasonic GH5 still worth in 2022? Hey guys, in case you don't know me, I am Arjun Singh from the White Lion Creation and I am an independent filmmaker. Short movies, commercial, cinematic B-rolls, VFX, it's all about creation. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel to support me. I have owned the Panasonic GH5 for over a year now, like 1 year and 4 months I guess, which is by the way my very first camera ever, and the only one. Anyway, the GH5 came out in 2017, so it's a kind of an old camera now we can say. But what makes it a legendary camera for filmmakers? Should you buy one? Or should you keep your actual GH5? Here are 5 reasons, in my opinion, you might still want to grab the GH5. First, the price. Yes, the price. If you're looking for a camera under 2,000 euros which gives you a professional look, well, the GH5 is for you. It's affordable, easy to understand, and small, which allows you to just pick it up and ready to go shoot anywhere and anytime. You can do both photos and videos, but it's not very good in photos capability. We will cover that later in the video. Second, it's the 4K video. The GH5 films in 4K at variable frame rates. You can film in 4K up to 60 frames per second. You can have some nice slow motion video in 4K with the GH5. You can also go up to 180 frames per second in full HD. It gives you a super slow motion video right out of the camera. You don't even have to do anything else in post-production. That really saves you a lot of time. So in other words, it's a cinematic B-roll beast. Wow! Next, third is the built-in features. The GH5 has a lot of professional tools that you will need when shooting, such as the waveform, histogram, vector scope, zebra stripe, focus peaking. You also have a custom menu to add all the regular tools you're using so you can have access to it very fast. It makes you more productive and saves you a lot of times. Another thing is the custom buttons, which allows you to have different settings such as 24 frames per second on custom 1, 60 FPS on custom 2, or even 120 FPS on custom 3. So you can easily switch settings without even going in all the menus and click here and click there, whatever. You also have other tools like the focus transition and 4K live cropping. The focus transition allows you to set 2 focus points within the same shot and create a smooth transition from one focus point to another. The 4K live cropping allows you to simulate a slider move without even having a real slider. It's very great for product B-roll. Fourth, the in-body stabilization. It's one of the best tools in the GH5. You don't have to spend a lot of money in gimbals at first. I'm not saying that you don't need a gimbal. It's always a gear to have. But when you've just started and if you're on a budget, well, you can just grab your GH5 and it gives you a great stable footage, just handheld. You don't even need to do anything else in editing. Combine the variable frame rates and the in-body stabilization together, it gives you mind-blowing shots. Fifth, the GH5 has a dual SD slots. With that, you can extend your storage capabilities so you can film a whole day without even switching your SD cards. You can choose to either extend the storage or back up your contents on the second SD card. It duplicates the clips from the first SD card to the second. Or you can even set one SD card to store videos and the other one to store only photos. Speaking of photos, there are also some drawbacks. Yes, I must agree, the GH5 is not the best for photography, but it still does the job. These are some examples of photos taken with the GH5 and the 12 to 16mm lens. Another thing, it doesn't perform well in low light situations because of its micro four thirds sensor, which also doesn't give you that shallow depth of fields like the full frame sensor. But that's not an issue. You can compensate that with other lenses which are, by the way, more expensive. I won't speak much about that because I don't personally own these lenses. My main lenses are the 12 to 60mm and the 42.5mm, which I am using right now. When I do have other lenses, I will make sure to give you my review about it. Here are some examples of clips shot in the night with the 42.5mm lenses. It still gives a very good result. In the notes below, you will find all the links available for everything mentioned in this video. One last thing is that it's very bad in autofocus. But if you're in the filmmaking industry, well, you might want to go with the manual focus. So, should you buy the GH5 in 2022? I would personally recommend you the GH5 because if you're a filmmaker or a YouTuber and you're looking for a lightweight and affordable camera, well, this one is for you. It offers you a lot of professional tools to help you understand the basics in filmmaking. Well, we are at the end of today's video, so guys, let me know in the comment what's your opinion on the GH5, if you own one, or if you have any questions. Feel free to ask me in the comment or send me an email, or you can contact me on Instagram or Facebook. I will be glad to read you. Do leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more contents like this. I will be making more filmmakers product review, so hit that bell icon to be notified next time. Well guys, take care. I will see you in the next video, and as always, keep creating!